Hello guys, welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. Another day, another printing na naman tayo guys. So dito yung ginawa natin ngayon is lanyard ID-less printing pa rin guys. Because we have a client that wanted us to make their school lanyard ID-less printing. Kaya ito yung ginawa natin ngayon. The quality here is the quality for our printing. Yan yung quality ng printing natin guys. So yung client pala natin is Mudjang Integrated School here in Davao City. So nagpagawa sila sa atin ng lanyard ID-less printing guys. So yan. Quality, we are aiming for the best quality for our clients to be satisfied here in our printing services guys. And then guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I will do a impromptu video for our printing services here in our channel. So if you wanted to know more about printing services, just proceed or visit our channel, YouTube channel. We have a lot of printing services there, tutorial. So especially for printing for newbie, beginners ng mga printing services. If you wanted to have your own printing services na maka-provide kayo sa inyong mga gustong client, and then merong mga tutorial doon for heat press printing services, yung mga small na Epson printer, mga desktop printer, nandun din yun sa ating YouTube channel guys. Especially for printing services, merong mga stickers na din doon para sa mga desktop na mga printing printers, Epson, and then labeling sticker, vinyl. Mayroon ding tutorial how to heat press that one there in our YouTube channel. So we have a lot of tutorial there. Just visit guys. Thank you very much for watching. This is Lad Support. Thank you for always tuning in here in our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.